breezily bridge. And I teleported back. How fun. Hey, what's going on, dudes? Welcome back to another video. So today, I'm not showing my face because I don't want to. Okay, so basically, as you can tell by the title, this thing does not drag click very well. I mean, if you haven't done the strategy that I have. So, as you can see, like, it drag clicks a little, but that's just because I've done the thing. So, basically, oh shoot, I have to, OBS! Okay, so, basically, the two things you need. This mouse, it comes in white or black. I do not suggest getting the glossy version, because I just don't think you can drag click very well with it. I'm wearing a blanket, too. Blanket, yay, blanket. Okay, anyway, you also need your average school scotch tape. This is the one that I'm going to use today. So, basically, what you need to do is get a piece of tape. This is way too big. I have scissors around here. Hold on. Scissors! Got them. Always be careful with scissors, so don't be an idiot and use them like I do. Alright. So, what we're going to do is replace it on the mouse. As you can see on the mouse, there's a little honeycomb pattern. I was an idiot and I put the tape on it, but there's no point in it. So I don't have like good nails, but I can still take this tape off. So then, what you want to do is, if you guys can hear music, it's because I have Minecraft open in the background. So you just kind of like tap the mouse with the tape. You could drag it along, but like, I just don't like doing it. It's easier just to go around tapping it. If you can feel that it has a little, it gets harder. I'm good at English. It's harder to like take the tape off. That means it's working, and that's good. So now what you do is you get your finger, tap your finger on it. Well, like whatever finger you're gonna use to drag click. I personally use my right mouse button and my middle finger because I like to use it for bridging. So that's fun. Hey, the sun. Shut up! Shut up! Kid. Oh, let me mute my phone. Alright. So now, I have this cool thing. So now I'm going to minimize this cam. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to see. I just threw my tape on my bed. But might be a little bit hard for you guys to see. But as you can hear, it's working. So you can, this is hard because, here, let me grab my keyboard. Keyboard, come here. Got it. You can probably see my keyboard more than the mouse, which kind of sucks. Alright, let's move this back. My mouse is over here. My humongous keyboard is right here. So looky the mouse. Just pay attention to the mouse. It helps you breezily bridge. And I teleported back. How fun. I'm going to clip that part for the beginning. But yeah, it's pretty easy. I can't, like, time my God bridge. If you can, that is impressive. I just personally can't do it very far. But for the breeze, I can time it decently well-ish. But yeah, that's really it for the tutorial. If you guys enjoy, hit like, man, blah, 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 blah. Have a great and safe day. Peace. Peace out.